Hi families, my name is Holly Compton and I'm the district math coach for Manhattan Beach, and today we're going to be looking at a story problem that is set up like this: join start unknown. So in our story today, we're going to have a missing number plus a number given in the story equals, and then another number given in the story. So we're going to talk about some ways that your child might approach solving this story problem. All right, so here we go. We're going to choose the first number set, and I've already put in 3 and 14. Sarah made some red Valentines to pass out to her friends. Okay, so that is this part of our story right here, some red Valentines. We don't know how many Valentines there are that are red right now. Then she made 3 pink Valentines. Now she has 14 Valentines in all. How many red Valentines did Sarah make? Okay, so we find out that there are 3 pink Valentines. So 3 pink, and then this is our total number, right? So in all, total. In these questions, color coding might help your child. So I pulled out my red and my pink. I also pulled out my red and pink, or purple, but we'll just call it pink, go with the flow here. So color coding may really help. So if they ask, can I get my crayons and use them, please say yes. That means they're making sense of the problem. All right, so we're set up like this. A word of caution to you. As adults, we know we can just do 14 minus 3 to get this answer here. If we tell them, oh, just do 14 minus 3, they're going to wonder, what in the world is my parent doing? And it can cause frustration because in this story, there is no situation where somebody is subtracting. They are adding and joining things together. So let's skip the subtraction for now. All right, so some things your child might do. They might pull out 3 cubes or draw 3 things, same thing, right? So they're looking at the 3 things, and then they might just keep on counting until they get to 14. So 3, and then, well, if we added 10, that would make 13. They'll probably know that. And they'll need 1 more to make 14. So we have to figure out how many are red, right? So we know we had a 10 go on and then a 1 more. So 11 would be red. Let's see. 11 would be red. And then we go back and we want to make sure that we ask them, is that really true? 11 plus 3 equals 14. And they should start being able to write the number sentence that matches, although this could be a little tough because the missing number was in the front. The start was unknown. All right, so if you want to see what that would look like in a drawing, it would just look like simple 1, 2, 3. And maybe if they're doing it in pencil, they could just put red, and then they would say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then they would count those. Oops, this should have been pink. See, the bonus of in-person would have been, somebody would have told me already. All right, and so these are red. And then they'll probably just count them up, right? So that's a simple strategy. Another way they might think about this is on a number line. Number lines are hugely important in first grade and second grade, actually forevermore, because even when they're in middle school, they use number lines and negative numbers, right? So they might decide, okay, I'm going to start at 3 on the number line because that's what I know, and I'm going to get to the number 14. So they might take a hop of 10, and 3 plus 10 is 13, and plus 1 more is 14. And that's the one we were trying to get to, so this would be where we stop. Now, if they do a strategy like this, the answer is in the hops. So the answer is 11. This is a very common strategy that young children employ, so watch out for these. They're pretty cool. All right, parents, I'll see you next time for the next video. Bye.